So out here in general, we are planting 52 plants out at Minary Stream Alliance. So I think there's 46 trees and 6 shrubs going in the ground today. This is all part of a Tree Stewards initiative, which is through ShoreRivers, and we're partnering with Minary Stream Alliance. So in the fall, we created a new volunteer program last fall called Tree Stewards. It was in partnership with the Alliance for the Chesapeake Bay, who provided 40 volunteers with the training and knowledge to assess soil health and site feasibility for native tree planting so that we can increase native trees in our suburban and urban areas along the Eastern Shore. So 40 volunteers went through a 4-part webinar series, and that culminated in tree planting at Bailey Park in downtown Chestertown. And we successfully won some funding from the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation and through the Chesapeake Bay Trust to activate those volunteers to seek out community partners, create site sketches and tree planting plans for those partners, all culminating in ShoreRivers planting 300 trees across the Eastern Shore this year. So 52 of them are going in the ground today, so we're well on our way.
One is to beautify the area. 2 is to help as trees do environmentally. There are a variety of trees. They're all natives. Some of them are flowering, so they'll create flowers in the spring. This is a line of sugar maples, which will create wonderful blazing golden color in the fall. And there are a variety of evergreens. There's some pawpaw, which was the, I think maybe the only native fruit tree that we have here. And then there's some apples that will contribute to Minary Stream Garden.
It's a great partnership with ShoreRivers. They had some extra trees. They came out with an environmental engineer a couple weeks ago, and we talked about the vision. We talked about one, being in a protected area. Planting trees is always a good thing for the environment. We also wanted to offer a buffer, like so that whole tree line that lines the property, that was just like the buffer area that we wanted to get. We got some fruit trees. We have a bunch of native trees. So I think like in a year or so, we get you back out here to take a look. And I think it needs to be more impressive. But we're definitely happy with the work we did today.
And also, I learned about the environment. Like I learned that trees give oxygen. Well, it produces oxygen. And I also learned about all types of little creatures.
Okay, so first, like you have to dig with a shovel and dig out the grass and the dirt. So then after you dig it all out, you take the plant out and kind of brush off the soil that's in the plant. You put it in there. You put all the dirt back, no grass, just dirt, and then pour water. Put mulch in the water and you're done.
Yeah.
Beans of different assortments from our food program and planted them to give the example that you can actually grow your groceries from groceries. We have magnolias, 7 different kinds of squashes. We have unique pumpkins. The pumpkins are actually blue pumpkins, as well as growing gourds, loofah to be exact. We're going to use those spirals and turn those into 8 to 10 people seating. So when we do workshops, we'll have the kids sit in the center and the adults can sit on the side, so you can have attention of the information that's being given and your children can be within arm's length of you. Yes, we use all upcycled materials that are locally sourced, such as pallets that is used to build the wall, as well as bamboo that has been sourced locally for the poles rather than using metal poles. In the case of storms or any type of damage, we can just take out a section and just add a new section at no cost.